Hello guys, welcome to another tip and trick video in AutoCAD. In this video we are going to see the measure command. This measure command is not like a measure geometry command. We can found in this utility panel measure. This measure geometry command is used to measure the distance, radius, angle, area, etc. In this video we are going to talk about the measure command we can found in this draw panel. Let's click this layout and let's spin this. This measure command is used to place the point object or block at measure interval along the length or perimeter of object. Our current layer is point layer. Before placing the point object using measure command, you need to make sure in utility panel the point style. You can see in my previous video I have explained about the point style, placing points and multiple points. Now let's choose decent point style. I always prefer using 5% of point size relative to screen. You can place any value as you like. You can place point object or block using measure command. In this video I am going to place points using measure command in measure distances. In next video I will cover placing the block using measure command. To use measure command, you can go to the command line and type measure command, or you can go to this home tab in draw panel and use this measure command. I want to measure this object. Here is one thing you need to give attention. Always select from the end you want to place point objects. If you select this object with any other location, the measure command always places the object from the nearest end. So I want to place point object from here to there. So I want to click here to select object. In command line you can see specify the length of a segment. This means the distance between 2 points or 2 objects you want to measure. So I am going with 500. Let's type 500. Now you can see it measures the distance between 2 points is exactly 500. So do this. If you want to place point here, you can type point command, single point command, and place here. Let's type region. Using this measure command, you can draw your drawing more efficiently. Now go to the object snap tracking and take this node, snap, and now you can draw any line, any object, what you want to draw. This helps us to draw our drawing more efficiently and in less time. As I stated earlier, in next video I will be covering how to place block in measure distances using measure command.